Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to the EJ Tech Show, and this right here is Samsung's new mid-budget monster phone, the Galaxy M51, which packs in a lot of good specs which help it to go up against the likes of the OnePlus Nord and even the recently launched Realme 7 Pro. So keeping that in mind, let's get this unboxing started and check out what all this device has to offer. So the first thing you will notice is the phone itself. Let me just get rid of this cover first. Now, here it is, and I gotta say, it does feel a little bit heavy, and that's largely attributed to the fact that this thing packs in a 7,000 mAh battery. Now, to put that into perspective, both the Galaxy M31 and M31s had 6,000 mAh batteries. So this is a very, very significant upgrade, and I can't wait to check out what battery performance you get over here. But I'm guessing it's going to be fairly good. Now, apart from that, on the back, you've got this grayish black color, which is a little bit generic, but if you like your colors to be subtle, then you might appreciate this. And it's also got that glass stick thing on the back where it basically looks like glass, but it's actually made of plastic. So yeah, definitely plastic over there. Apart from that, you've also got a quad camera setup over here, which packs in a 64 megapixel primary camera, a 12 megapixel ultra wide angle lens. You've got a 5 megapixel depth sensor, and you've also got a 5 megapixel macro camera. And if camera performance is anything like the M31 or the M31s, you can expect fairly good results over here as well. Now, let's take a look at what you get on the sides, because on the back I don't see a fingerprint scanner. That means on the side you will have a fingerprint scanner, and there it is, the side fingerprint scanner. You've also got your volume rockers over here, and then on the top you've got your SIM slot and also your micro SD card slot. And then let's take a look at what we have on the bottom over here. We've got a USB-C port, we've got a single speaker, and of course it's always good to see a reliable headphone jack. Okay, so let's boot this phone up. And while that boots up, let's take a look at what else we have in this box. So you've got your fast charger, 25-watt fast charger. Always good to have, especially considering you have a 7,000 mAh battery. And you've also got a cable over here, a USB-C to USB-C cable. Yep, that's USB-C to USB-C. And that's really important, because what that means is that because this phone has a massive 7,000 mAh battery, you can actually use the phone as a power bank. So you can use the phone to top up your other devices that actually support USB-C. So that's a really, really great thing to have. Okay, let's see what else we have. Okay, that's absolutely empty, so let's just put that on the side. I think there's always something stuck here, so let's just get that out. There you go. Okay, so that's just the phone making a lot of noises. Ignore that. You've got your SIM ejector tool, and inside you probably have all your literature. Let me just take that out from here. Okay, you know what's really weird? No plastic cover. And let me just show you, I forgot to mention this. This phone is so glossy and is a pure fingerprint magnet. You'd have expected Samsung to give you a plastic cover here. They usually do, but this time they haven't, and that's really, really weird, because you definitely need to slap on a plastic cover if fingerprints bother you. So yeah, I was hoping to get one, but clearly not. You've only got your basically your regional lock guide, your quick start guide, and your warranty guide. Just the paperwork and nothing else. Let me just double check. Really, no plastic cover? Okay, yeah, no plastic cover. Weird. Anyway, let's just bring that phone back up. It's booted up. Now you're getting a 6.7-inch FHD Plus display over here, and it looks really nice. Like, just looking at it right now, you can tell that this is a great display. You've got slim bezels all around. The chin at the bottom isn't too big either. So yeah, it's a nice display, and Samsung is known for making great displays. They are industry leaders when it comes to AMOLED technology, and it's no different over here as well. Apart from that, this runs on the Snapdragon 730 processor. That's right, no longer are you getting an Exynos processor, and as far as I can remember, at least every M series phone that I've reviewed, it's come with an Exynos processor, but now they've opted for a Snapdragon 730G processor. So that is really, really good. So I wouldn't be surprised if this chip can handle pretty much everything you throw at it, but of course we have to put this phone through its paces, and we'll give you a full lowdown on what the performance is over here, but I have a feeling it's going to be pretty good. Now you also got, it runs on Android 10, and it also runs on Samsung One UI 2.1. So I'm just going to go on through the software settings and just take a look at that. So yeah, so actually that's One UI core version 2.1. So that means you're going to get a lot of flagship level features that we've seen on the flagship Galaxy S series. So things like you're probably going to get single take, and there it is. You've got the single take, and what that means is basically when you use the single take option, the AI will shoot a lot of different stuff. It'll shoot videos, it'll shoot GIFs, it'll shoot photos, and then you can decide which option you want to go for. So single take was a very popular feature. Samsung fans especially loved that feature, and it's made its way over here. We also saw it on the M31s, and now it's on the M51 as well. Okay, so that's pretty much the Galaxy M51 for you in a nutshell. We will of course be bringing you a full review very soon on Editor G on the EJ Tech Show, so make sure you do stay tuned for that. But this is the Galaxy M51 monster phone, and we are really excited to review this one for you guys.